Well, Ocker 009 is just about done. There's still a few niggling little jobs that we need to do, but nothing that's keeping it off the road other than buying a mattress for the bed behind me. For any radio tech, you've got to have a couple of radios in the back. They're just waiting to get the power and the remote head put in and the antennas wired up. The dashboard is functional, the air conditioning works now. Got some new seat covers. They're only slip-ons, but they look pretty good. There's a couple of new antennas on the roof rack. I've removed them off the sun visor. Just have to wire them up into the radios now. With all the mucking around, I found out that the seat runners are a bit flogged out. The one on the driver's side you'd adjust backwards and forwards, but it was a bit stiff. I've had to replace the runners with new ones with these type of bars on it. The one on the passenger side didn't have it at all. It was actually screwed shut, so it was a bit of a pain. All going now though. And have a look at this, I'll turn the lights on. Just to prove it, there's all the lights running. Just have to line them up and adjust them.